Have you heard about the Alcatraz escape? Alcatraz is a famous prison. It is on an island. This prison is very secure. Alcatraz is hard to escape. Guards watch it all the time. The water is very cold. It is difficult to swim away. Prisoners are very dangerous. They have long sentences. Alcatraz is a special prison. It is known worldwide. Meet the escapees from Alcatraz. Frank Morris is the first. He is very smart. John Anglin is the second. He is a skilled thief. Clarence Anglin is the third. He is John's brother. They plan to escape together. These men are clever. They have a strong bond. They want freedom badly. They are ready to try. The escape plan is very detailed. They plan for many months. They work slowly and carefully. They dig through walls. They use simple tools. They hide their work well. They make a secret workshop. They plan every night. They are determined to succeed. They study guard routines. They use every free moment. They make tools from spoons. They are very resourceful. They use old wood. They create fake vent covers. These covers look real. They fool the guards easily. They use soap to make heads. These heads are for their beds. They paint them to look real. They use hair from the barber. The plan is very detailed. The inmates made dummy heads from soap. They used paint to add details. The hair came from the barber shop. These heads looked like real people. They placed them in their beds. Guards thought they were sleeping inmates. The heads helped in the escape plan. The guards did not notice the trick. This gave the inmates extra time. They worked at night to avoid detection. The fake heads were very convincing. The escape began on a dark night. The inmates quietly left their cells. They crawled through the holes. The holes were hidden behind cell vents. They used spoons to dig these holes. The holes took months to make. They reached the utility corridor safely. The guards did not hear them. Each move was planned carefully. They moved quietly to avoid noise. The night was perfect for escape. The utility corridor was dark and narrow. The inmates crawled through it slowly. They avoided making any loud noises. This path was not often used by guards. The corridor led to the roof area. They had to climb pipes to reach it. The climb was risky and dangerous. They worked together to stay safe. The corridor was a hidden path. They finally reached the roof. From here, they could see freedom. The inmates needed a raft to escape. They collected raincoats for many months. The raincoats were strong and waterproof. They sewed them together carefully. The raft had to hold 3 people. They used glue to seal the seams. The raft was tested for leaks. They worked in secret at night. The raft was hidden in the corridor. It was their ticket to freedom. The raincoats were hard to find. The raft was finally ready. The men leave their cells quietly. They crawl through the tunnel. The night is dark and silent. They reach the roof of Alcatraz. They carefully climb down the pipes. They carry a homemade raft. They inflate it using a concertina. They push the raft into the water. They paddle away from the island. The water is cold and strong. They row towards the mainland. Morning comes to Alcatraz Island. Guards notice something is wrong. They find the empty cells. The guards sound the alarm. A search begins immediately. Helicopters fly over the island. Police boats search the water. The FBI joins the manhunt. The news spreads quickly. People are shocked and curious. Where are the escapees now? Many theories arise about their fate. Did they reach the shore safely? Some believe they drowned. Others think they escaped successfully. The FBI finds no bodies. Reports of sightings emerge later. Some say they live in Brazil. The mystery remains unsolved. Families hope for their return. Theories keep the story alive. The escape becomes a legend. The escape changes prison security forever. Alcatraz closes shortly after the escape. People remember the daring plan. Movies and books tell their story. The escape inspires future generations. It shows human determination and courage. The mystery captures the imagination. History remembers Alcatraz's escape. The legacy of the escape endures. The story raises many questions. What would you have done? The escape teaches us about resilience.